Hey, hello, hi all. Welcome back to this uh, Docker series. So in this video, we're just going to discuss about uh, how to pull the image from the Docker repository and convert that image into the container and expose the container into the internet. So these are the major activity we're going to perform in this video. I'm just going to showcase you how to do this via the hands-on practice. So let's jump into the video. So here I'm just showcasing the my Azure VM. So on top of that Ubuntu server, I'm installed Docker on top of this. So here, what we're doing to do, first we're going to check any existing images is found in this server. For that, command is sudo docker images. So there is no existing image found. Sudo docker ps-a. So this command will pull whatever the running container available containers in your Docker host. So here also these also empty. So I'm just clearing this. I'm just jumping into the Docker repository. So in here Docker repository, I already pre-take this thing. So this is a Learn It Get Guide bus app. So this app will it's a common just some hello world kind of app like this. Here it will show that it's already pre-built UI login page, this app. So we going to pull this image and host into the container and expose into our uh, local host, and it's going to see this how it going to works. So here I'm just type go to the Docker repository means Docker Hub, and you just type this, and I will give the link for this image also in this description. Please check. Uh, I'm just here copy this thing and go back to the Ubuntu terminal. Here the command is sudo docker pull and image name. So yeah, that already we copied also. They mentioned the command all there. Here I'm just giving. So if you want the latest of this app or else something different versions you require, so semicolon type latest. So if you want to do it in the 2.1, 3.1 like that, you can do it. So here I'm just typing latest and click on enter. So it will start the downloading of images. So it in Docker it will pull the image by layer. So based on that, if you required any update also happen, the whole image size is 1 GB. If upcoming update also coming for 1.1 GB, then 0.1 GB that only it going to on top of it will add. So it won't rewrite or overwrite that existing image. Once it is downloaded, it will update by layer. If you want to update in the latest image, so that's one advantage in the Docker images. So based on your internet speed, the pulling things will be different. You can able to see here one by one, the layer by layer, it is pulling out. Okay, finally this image is completed for us. So here you can see. So I'm just clear this. I'm just showcase. Previous we are just putting this command. It shows empty. Now it will show the images. Sudo docker images. Okay, fine. Here it will show this existing latest image and size is 1.93 GB. It is there. So using this image, we're going to create a container. So we already saw that there is no containers existing. Now we're going to type a command sudo docker run -d -it, and what is the application name we're going to I'm just giving as app dev environment. Okay, so I'm just space -p. Why this -p we are given? So it will for example, the forwarding will happen. So what is a port forwarding? It's we will say as a PAT. So, port forwarding is For example, if each container will have the some port. Okay, in this hyphen p, the after port forwarding, I'm just giving here 80 whatever. So here hyphen p, and I'm just giving here 80 80. That I'm just this image is exposed in 8001 and give, and I want to just give the image address, image ID or image name. Just copy this like that. So here I'm just created my that container successfully. Here what the error we are facing. So we missed out one syntax part. Sudo docker run hyphen t hyphen name. It should be the what the app environment we're going to create container name of. So app dev is our container name. So here we give hyphen p. So what it should do? It should do that port forwarding. Port forwarding in the sense the image is exposed in the 8001, but each container will be exposed in different ports, not in the single port. So that's why. So if your upcoming sessions, if you want to create, so if you are doing here, can able to do it 8081 or else just give 80 and just rename the name here. This is prod. Just clicking on enter, so it should created the other one container, same thing, the different container. So we can able to create a using single image, we can create a multiple containers. So this is a dev environment and this is a prod environment. So which user using this port they want to communicate me, they should be landed in the dev environment 8080, and that who are using that use this port 80, they should land in the app prod environment container. Now we're going to see the container is created or not yet. Sudo docker um, ps hyphen a. Okay. So here you can see this two containers is created successfully. It's 30 seconds ago and it's about this thing. Here this thing. So one more thing, how we are finding this 8001 these images. Okay, fine. I forgot to say that. So once more, we I just go back to this image part. So this is the image repository image we downloaded, right? First of all, we can able to inspect the image. Sudo docker inspect and the image. Okay. So now it should just deep dive into that images, what they have and whatever the things they have things there. Okay, now this my output is start from here. Okay, from here my output will start. So this command will penetrate into these images and showcase you whatever things inside the images. The IDs, report, and commands. Container inside the container configurations, we need to check it. What is the exposed port for this image? So here the exposed port. This is 8001 TCP. So this image is have listening in 8001. Okay, for a container customization we can able to do anything. So here we are do this, the container is container one is listening 80, but inside the image is listening 8001. So container 2 listening in 8080 and image is still same. So based on this port the traffic will be land according to that containers, and it forwarded to the particular images inside. So we just take that, and one more thing, where this image is hosted and node services, CMD bin and is available inside, and volume is mounted or not yet, like this kind of much more thing. Upcoming session we can deep dive into this and get a clarity about this. Okay, so I'm just going there. Here now I'm just showing, yes, our content is created. Sudo docker images. Okay, sudo docker ps-a. So based using this successfully we created the two container environments. So our container environments and container name and ID is also displayed here. This is my prod one and this is my app dev one. Okay, so now I want to using this. I want to expose my into the internet. How can we I check inside this? So I want to do it. What in this? So this is the local host and this is our ID. Just type IPA. If you type IPA, here you can set the you can get the IP addresses. So this one. Okay. So here I'm using this. I have two virtual machines in this thing. I'm just logging into my another virtual machine. Okay. Before we perform this activity, we do one thing. Go to the NSG of that existing VM, and here this is my Ubuntu server VM. Inside the scenes rules, we need to whitelist this thing. So what we need to do, just click on this add button. It will show like this. Click on any start destination any custom, and port is 8080 and protocol is TCP and action is allow and just click on and save it. Okay, like same we need to do it for 8080. Then only this NSG will allow to us to communicate inside this thing. So because here why I'm doing this, I have two VMs in the same network. That's why I'm just doing this. I'm just jumping into my another VM. Oh, so this is my another VM. I'm just copying the public IP address of the Ubuntu server. Copy the public address and go back. Type http colon double slash paste this thing hyphen 88. Here I'm typing http colon double slash and pasting the public IP address of the Ubuntu server and colon here which port we exposed. First we check for the dev environment. Okay, this one we created, right? Just clearing this for your clarity. I'm just showcase two containers are running. One is prod and dev. We're going to check for dev environment. Okay, this what is the port of the dev environment? Here the local we need to place the local thing and it should be landed here 8081. So 8080 is a port. I'm just go here. I'm just give the HTTP. Sorry, HTTP colon. This is a public IP of address of my VM and just colon. Just clicking on 80, typing 8080, enter. Wow, it looks like very good. This is my inside container thing. So it's running in HTTP. That's why it shows non-secure. Here I can see my this thing like just refresh this. Okay, now we try for 8080 also. Okay, see here for 8080 also it should be land here. For in the incognito mode, I will open. HTTP colon this thing. So 80 is our production environment. We will see what it will happen. So it shows like we need to secure. Click on continue select because we know it. See here, this is amazing of C-trans some guys will create this image in the Docker host, and it is showing for us. This is our prod environment. If you go for that same situation for 8080, this is our dev environment. Keep remember. For that also it should showing. So it means you can, based on the port, that container is, the traffic is landed there. Okay, guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'm just going to showcase that. Okay, we successfully created and achieved the agenda. And for please follow me, and thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this. Support me, guys, and please comment it whatever the doubt you have, and check my LinkedIn profile, or else you can take my mail IDs. Send out a mail question based. I try to help you out on this. So finally, how can we remove this? That also we can see. Sudo docker images. So this image is there. Okay, so one by one only we need to run. First of all, we remove the running container, then only we can able to remove the uh, existing images, using images. Okay, so I'm just running sudo docker rm and app name. Click enter. So it says it's running container. So if it is container is running, we can't able to do remove. First we need to stop the container, and we can remove, or else we can try with the forcefully remove. Okay, forcefully removed. So like same for fraud also. Yep. Now sudo docker ps-a, there is no container. Sudo docker images. Sudo docker rmi. Rm for remove, I for images. Remove images, and we need to copy this. Okay, enter. So this image is now removing. Okay, this is also deleted. Sudo docker images. There is no images. Okay, finally we done our experiment. So thanks for watching this video. Thanks for patience. So we see this is output and everything. Once we refresh this, it will go on. See here, because we removed everything from there, so it's refused to connect, line kind of things it is coming. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks for watching this video and support. Thank you so much. Please subscribe and follow me. Upcoming videos, everything. So for the lot of migration videos are also in my channel, and Azure based and Kubernetes based and Docker based Terraform series also upcoming sessions you will see from my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye bye soon. Thank you.